Have you noticed that you and your spouse don't always think alike, or feel alike, or act alike?
God's goal for marriage is oneness, not sameness.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your girl Pat Mightily. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit on the bell so you won't miss any of our content. Thank you so much. So today guys, I wanted to bring this light to you guys. Did you know that you can do your COVID test right in your house? This is so amazing. I didn't know this until my job referred me to this. It's called Pixel by Labcorp. All you gotta do is type in pixel.labcorp.com and you're gonna be able to order this. You can order it and pay by your credit card, or you can use your insurance. For me, I use my insurance. So today we're gonna perform COVID testing at home. Yeah, let's see how this works. Hopefully they have instructions in here. Oh God, how do I even open this? Okay. We're gonna do this together, guys. All right. Let's see. Important information before you collect sample. Is it a weekday, Monday, Friday? Have you confirmed FedEx drop pickup? Will the sample be picked up on the same day as you collect it? So after I collect my sample, I have to go register the kit, this kit right here on Pixel by Labcorp account. Okay, have you placed both the gel pack and your sample in foil pouch? Okay, your sample may be rejected if failed to include both sample and gel pack in the foil pouch. Okay, drop off in FedEx on a Saturday or Sunday, or after the last pickup of the day. Schedule a FedEx pickup on a Saturday. Try to drop your sample at FedEx office rather than a drop-off box. Oh well, today is not Saturday. Let's get started. Okay, so they give instruction on what to do right here. This is step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna follow this step exactly as it is. Okay. How to schedule a one-time FedEx pickup, okay? All right, I guess this is where the sample is in. All right, there you go. This one. Okay. All right, let's just follow instruction. What needs to be done? Number 1, when you're ready to collect your sample, register your kit online and type in the 12 barcode on your collection tube. Okay. Visit this Dropbox location. Wash and dry hands before opening the kit. Open your kit and place all the content on a clean, dry surface. Take one of the cotton swab out of its package. Do not touch the cotton tip of the swab with your hands. Okay. Screw off that sample thing. Hold swab hand, collect the tube carefully, not to spill. Do not drink the liquid. Do not drink this liquid, guys. The liquid in here, do not drink it. That's one of the instructions. Okay, do not drink the liquid. Where am I? Okay, insert the tip of the cotton into one nostril. Oh Lord, the cotton swab does not need to be inserted far. Insert just until the swab tip of the is no longer visible. Okay, take the cotton swab out of your nostril using the same end of the cotton swab. Repeat step 6 in your other. Okay. Remove the cotton swab from your second nostril and place in the collection tube. Okay. All right, I got this. Okay. Oh Lord. All right, we're about to start, guys. And also don't forget to, register online using this digit code. I already taken a picture of this. After my collection, I'm gonna go on that website, the Pixel Labcorp website, and then I'm gonna register this number. That's the only way your test is gonna get done, if you register the kit. So let's start the collection process. Okay, I will need to place this up here. So I need to put this right here. Which side do I open? No sign. This is crazy. I don't want to cut the whole thing. No way to open anywhere. Okay, know what to do. Ooh. Okay, my hand cannot touch. Okay, good. Remember, your hand cannot touch the tip, both sides of the tip. So they want me to put this whole tip till it's no longer visible. Let's give it a try. And then you do the same thing in this other nostril. Oof. Then you put it in slowly. It's all in. Close it up. And our COVID test is done. As simple as that. Whew. Although I feel a little bit tense, uncomfortable in my nostril. Tears is about to come out of my eyes. Okay, so it's done. We don't need this anymore. So yeah, so it's only one. They only need one swab. So you see, that's exactly what I've done. Just one swab in there. So this, I don't know. I don't know what to do with this, guys. Keep it or give it back. All right, let's give it back because hubby's getting impatient recording this. You know what? It doesn't really matter. So let's follow this. Let's follow the packaging instruction. So I know they wanted me to put this in here. Seal it. Seal it. And what else did they say? Gotta put it on this gel pack. And then gonna put it on this foil pouch. So now, there you got that number, right? Because I don't want to seal it and then, Make sure that you got that tube number before you seal this. I'm about to seal it. All right, it's all done, guys. It's a done deal, so Now they have this, so don't forget to put this in here. Then, yeah, I think I don't have to put it back in there. The collection kit instruction, I don't have to put it back. I don't have to put all this back. I'm just gonna keep all this out. I just hope it's okay to keep all this out because I'm only sending this back to them. Hopefully I'm doing the right thing. All right. Okay, they already put the stand right. Okay. And then I'm gonna seal this up. It's all sealed and done. I'm just gonna send this back to Labcorp. Our COVID test is done. All you have to do is put your order through and then read the instruction in the kit and do exactly as it says, and you'll be good to go. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this was helpful to you, okay? Go ahead and order your test and just do it yourself, okay? Alrighty. Bye-bye. See you guys next time.